In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a prioritized list with nested subtasks in Todoist step by step. This is a super useful way to organize your work, break big tasks into smaller actions, and keep everything easy to follow at a glance. Whether you're planning a project, building a daily to-do list, or just trying to stay more organized, this method will help you create a cleaner workflow inside Todoist. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple productivity guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to the project or list where you want to create your tasks. The first thing you need to do is type your main parent task. This is the big task at the top that your smaller subtasks will sit underneath. Once you've typed that main task, press enter to save it. This creates the foundation for everything that comes next. Now, directly underneath that parent task, type your subtasks. These are the smaller steps, actions, or details that belong to the main task. You can add as many subtasks as you need. And this is where Todoist starts becoming really powerful, because instead of one giant overwhelming task, you now have a clear list of smaller items that are much easier to complete. At this point, the subtasks may still appear as regular tasks, so the next step is to nest them properly under the parent task. On desktop, hover over the subtask until you see the 6-dot handle on the left side. Click and hold that handle, then drag the subtask slightly to the right underneath the parent task. When you release it, Todoist will indent it and turn it into a nested subtask. You can repeat this process for each item you want to place under the same parent task. Just drag each one slightly to the right so it sits under the main task. This makes your list much easier to scan, especially if you have several related actions grouped together. It also helps you mentally separate your big goals from the smaller steps needed to finish them. If you want to make a prioritized list, the best approach is to place your most important parent task first, then organize the subtasks below it in the order you want to complete them. That way, your list is not only nested, but also prioritized. You can use this structure for work projects, school assignments, errands, content planning, or any other repeatable system you want to keep organized. As you build out your list, remember that nested subtasks are great for clarity. For example, if your parent task is plan marketing campaign, your subtasks might be write email copy, design banner, and schedule social posts. Instead of seeing one large job, you now have a step-by-step structure that makes progress feel much more manageable. If you ever need to adjust the order, you can simply drag the subtasks up or down until they are arranged the way you want. And if something no longer needs to be nested, you can drag it back to the left to bring it out from under the parent task. Todoist gives you a lot of flexibility, so you can refine the structure as your priorities change. The main thing to remember is this: type your parent task first, press enter, add your subtasks underneath, then indent them on desktop by dragging the 6-dot handle to the right. Once you get used to it, the process becomes very fast and easy. And that is how you make a prioritized list with nested subtasks in Todoist. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next productivity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.